Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Angie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an install in 5 minutes. Now this video is going to go really fast, so I need you guys to keep up with me and let's get into the video. So here's the gist. I installed this hair and it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, so I took it down. I filmed this whole video and didn't even use it. Took it down and now we're gonna do it all over again. So my cornrows are fuzzy because I washed it. Mind your business. I don't want to hear it. Mind your business. So I'm just gonna put on a wig cap and I'm gonna slide it back. We're not doing the ball cap method today. We don't have time. So we're gonna put on the wig. The wig is already prepped. The baby hair is laid in place for everything. So I'm just gonna pull the wig forward to make sure that like it lays properly. And I'm just gonna keep adjusting it till I put it in the position I want it to be in before like actually putting the glue down, because once the glue is on your head, it's over. That's it. So I'm going to color my wig cap because they're looking a little bit ghostly and I just don't want it to show through the wig cap. So I'm gonna pull it forward again just to make sure, and then I'm gonna put on the glue. I'm only gonna do one layer of glue because I don't plan on wearing this wig for that long. I've already worn it for a while. I'm just reinstalling it for video purposes. So I'm gonna put one layer of glue and then I'm gonna spread it just like a regular layer, not too thin but not too thick, because since we're only doing one layer we have to put like enough so it actually sticks. So after spreading it, I'm just gonna wait for the glue to dry and turn a bit clear. So now I'm gonna pull the wig down and actually like apply it basically. So this is what makes the install go by so fast, because we're not doing multiple layers, we're not blow drying, we're not doing any of that. We're literally putting on glue and slapping this wig on our head. So I'm just gonna put it on, drag all the places I need to like drag, put it on properly, just stick this whole down. Like, we do not have time. When I tell y'all I was rushing, I did not have time. But as you can see, this place, like, I had a little bit of trouble because I don't think the glue was that sticky and it started lifting up a bit. So that's not a problem. I just put a little bit more glue, a thin layer, nothing too thick because we don't want it to like look gunky. And I'm just gonna look at how I want my baby hairs to be. I'm just gonna comb it out a little bit, give it a little bit of like a rough draft. And now since that side is clear, I'm gonna tug it back down and try to glue it down and actually make sure it stays this time. So now that the hair is actually staying down, I'm just gonna press the sides just to make sure everything is flat and in place. So now I'm gonna put this Ebin spray. Oh my gosh, I love this spray so much compared to the Got2b one. And I'm just gonna spray this and I'm gonna tie it down with a black elastic band. Make sure that it is elastic because a scarf is not gonna do the job. So I'm just gonna hot comb my hair. I already flat ironed it like before putting on my hair. That's why it also went really fast. So the hair is already looking nice. Just gonna wait for the spray to dry, and we're looking very much melted. So I'm going to cut the baby hairs, any extra long hairs, we don't want that. But look at how this is melted, and in 5 minutes, stop playing with me. So I'm really not a fan of baby hairs, but I just feel like I have to do this wig justice and do the baby hairs like really extravagantly. But guys, this hair is from Alipearl. It is in the Sophiology collection, and when I tell you the amount of compliments I've gotten with this hair, it is so thick, so luscious. Like, this hair is everything. And I usually don't order from Alipearl that often, not like any specific reason, but I'm just not used to wearing other hairs that aren't like from my company. But this hair is the bomb. I will link it down below so you guys can get the hair if you want to, and I promise you it's a little bit on the expensive side, but it is worth the money, I promise you. So I'm laying these baby hairs as well as I can. Hopefully it doesn't look crazy when I actually like finish, but I think I did a pretty good job with it. What do you guys think? So I'm going to wrap it with a I still don't know the name of this, I just call it paper scarf. So I'm gonna wrap this with it, and look at how this hair turned out, guys. Like, I am actually in love with this hair. It is so luxurious, and you guys know like this whole look is not complete without my makeup. So let us see the transformation, period. We looking so good. I know you guys can see that this hair is worth it. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned because there's more to come.